Yes, as we have been discussing about the format of letter to editor and we have discussed it in detail. Now let's have a look on one of the example of letters to editor, and the statement is, you are Radhaji, member of NGO Awaz, write a letter to the editor of a national daily for a public movement to clean the Yamuna river. You must introduce yourself, describe how the people are to be blamed for polluting the river, and suggest the need for installing water treatment plant to clean the river. Now see, here the sender, who will be the sender? Radhaji, who is a member of NGO Awaz, and she has to write down the letter to the editor. So the receiver would be the editor, and she has to write down a letter to the National Daily. So one of the leading newspaper, national newspaper. So it may be Hindustan Times, the Times of India, or any other newspaper, for a public movement. And what is the topic? To clean the Yamuna river. So here she has to describe herself. So you must introduce yourself and describe how the people are to be blamed, how people are responsible for polluting the river Yamuna, and at the same time give suggestions to do the needful for installing water treatment plant so that the river may be cleaned. Now let's see what will be the letter and how is to be written. So here the first one would be the receiver's address, 33 Jal Bihar, Wazirabad, New Delhi, 33. Then date. So after that there would be the date, as you are saying that there is a one line space after the sender's address, then date, then the receiver's address, the editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then after that one line space, after this subject. So the subject is need for people's movement for a clean Yamuna. And after that one line space, salutation, dear editor, sir. Simply write down sir. Then introduce yourself as the body of the letter. I am Radhaji, member of NGO Awaz. Then the body of the letter, and introduce yourself. I am Radhaji, member of NGO Awaz. I am writing to you in order to highlight the deteriorating condition of river Yamuna. So this will be your introductory paragraph. So the next one would be the second paragraph, which will contain the details of the topic. The city of Delhi is getting contaminated water from river Yamuna. The residents are to be blamed for this. They pollute the river with garbage, sewage and drains. The river water is full of bacteria, plastic. So this paragraph will contain the details of the topic, as we know that this topic is about the cleanliness of river Yamuna, as who are to blame? The residents, the people. So the people of the city of Delhi is getting contaminated water from river Yamuna. The residents are to be blamed for this. They pollute the river with garbage, sewage and drain. The river water is full of bacteria, plastic, chemicals and other waste material. It is the people who have been demanding a water treatment for plant, the authority. So the third paragraph would be the closing paragraph. The people have been demanding a water treatment plant. The authorities haven't yet responded to the repeated requests. So I request you to highlight the problem in your newspaper and arouse public interest we all need. Then the complimentary close. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Radhaji. Signature, the name, then her designation, member of NGO. So dear student, this is all about letter to editor, and in the next class we'll discuss more about this letter and we'll do practice of one or two more letters. Till the time, I request all of you to go through this video carefully, to watch this video carefully and just note down the format, and if possible just write down the letter and have a practice of more letters. And after this I'm going to share with you an assignment which will contain one or two exercises of letter to editor. So thank you so much.